How to add widgets to the Windows home screen. The process is the same, window 11 and 10. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay, so guys, there is a two type of widgets. First is your inbuilt widgets in window. Here when you click in here, you can see the all widgets here. Okay, so here you can add the more widgets if you want. So what you can do, just go to the taskbar and right click on it and go to the taskbar setting, and here you need to enable this. Okay, if you don't find this option, you need to enable it. Once you enable, it will be visible to you. Then you can click here and you can see your all widgets, current widgets. Now okay, so here we have the old looks and this is our new looks. Okay, now go to the setting and discover the new widgets, and you can add that widgets to your this page. Okay, like this, you can pin it. Okay, so it will be pinned here like this. Okay, and dot and for whatever. You can refresh. If you don't find the widgets here, you can refresh it. Once you refresh, you can see the that add which we have add this which we have add there. Okay, so now the second method is, if you want this widgets, any widgets in your home screen, then you need to go in that store. Okay, go to the Microsoft Store here and search for widgets, and here you can see the application for the launch widgets. Let me see. Okay, you need to just search widgets here, and you can see the lots of application that you can use. So you can use this one. Just open it and just get it. Once you get it, it will be start downloading and install in your window. Okay, let it wait. We need to wait some time. It is installing. Okay guys, so installation has been done. So we have that open option here, so just click on it. Now your application will be open here. So here we have some widgets like in extension in. Okay, so here the home, and you can see the all widgets here, all standard and extension. You can search particular widgets like in search bar, like clock. Okay, so digital clock, large clock, whatever you want. You just choose this one, and here we have some default color, light color or dark color. You can also increase or decrease the transparency and just launch it. Once you launch, there is a maybe. Okay, so it is launching. Actually, it is the application showing the ad. You need to just hold for a second, then launch the widgets. And here this widget has been launched. Let me go in home. Here we have these widgets. Okay, you can keep it anywhere in window screen. Same, you can add more edges from the same shapes. So I hope you like this videos. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.